Hi, I'm Barbara, abstract expressionist painter, and today I'm going to make a painting. I'm going to work with these colours today. I've got some cheaper paints that I'm just trying to use up. Mostly got a pinky, off yellow composition with some blue highlights. This is an A3 piece of good quality paper, and I've measured 3 centimetres in from the edge and taped it up. This is kind of just a way of containing the chaos that will happen within, and then I'm just going to work out a rough idea of where my composition is going to travel. Might get some darker purples in there. I think I want something intense, some intensity in here. There we go. These are sort of a mixture of oil pastels and water-soluble pastels, so it's all going to change once I start painting over it. I don't want the background to be all completely one colour. Okay, so there's a starting point, a background. Let's go back over this composition and work out what it's going to do. Let's bring in some of our darker colours. That's a very bright blue. Oh, I like that darker. What is that bright blue doing? I'm starting to see a composition there. So what I always keep doing is just keep turning it, and then I'll look at it in different ways. This is always a sort of moment of anxiety, because it's like I've made the start and now I'm trying to think, well, where do I go from here? Do I now try and bring the painting to some sort of satisfying composition? So this stage was very quick, and now it's about thought. Because it can easily get very overworked. It's tempting to sort of lay loads of colour on, but actually let's just explore what the marks can be. I feel like the composition is kind of doing this now. It's like doing a nice diagonal, and it's darker over here and lighter over here. So I like what's happening there. Question is, do I want it portrait or landscape? Well, annoyingly, this is the point where my phone, which is recording the top shot, where you can see me painting, runs out of battery, and I was completely unaware, and I carried on painting, totally oblivious, finished the painting, and none of it got recorded. So if you would like to see the finished result, went on painting for another 10 minutes or so, and this is the end result with the tape taken off. It always looks so much better like that. So I added this big mark here and finished with these red highlights. So if you like that and you want to see more of my work, head over to my website, www.barbarajgraham.co.uk. There are prints and original works for sale, and I'm planning on doing these videos about every week or so, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.